Marami sa atin ang nagtatanong kung bakit walang snow sa Pilipinas. Ang sagot dyan, hindi talaga ito nakabase dahil hindi talaga tayong wala talaga tayo sa Pilipinas dahil dito, but it is only location because we are near the equator. But there are parts of the earth. There is South Pole, North Pole, Antarctic, and Arctic. And if we are near the South Pole or North Pole, Arctic, and Antarctic oceans, siguro possible na may snow sa Pilipinas. But we are near the equator. We only have two seasons. It is wet season and dry season. And those seasons is para lang sa malapit sa sa equator. But if we are in the Arctic or Antarctic, it should be four. Summer, winter, spring, and autumn. Yan. Kaya wala talaga yung snow sa Pilipinas. It based on its location. Okay. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye.